Uh,
A spouse, Steve. That's not what I think, though. That's not what I think.
I'd rather
I
than
love
him?
my wife, Steve.
No way.